Hey, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Ant, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we finna do a healing build with Maria. Yes, as you see in the thumbnail, these will be the two perks we will be using, and that will be Pep Talk. At a level 3, when you sweet talking grandpa, heals you by 20% of your maximum HP. The second perk we'll be using will be Blood Clot Cry, and at a level 3, it receives 25 health whenever grandpa activates his sonar ability. This has 4 charges. We also using Bomb Squad for our third perk. Y'all know what it is, man. The S tier perk as of right now. And at a level 3, you are able to dismantle a trap without the use of a bone scrap 4 times. Dismantling a trap is 50% faster, especially with the use of hands and hitchhiker on almost every game. You know we gotta use Bomb Squad. By the way, this was all pre-recorded over on Twitch. So, man, if you like content like this live, man, make sure y'all go over on a Twitch. The link in the description will be down below. With that being said, man, let's get straight into the video.
Finally in custody tonight. Authorities followed a tip that led them to a deserted motel outside Bryan, where they caught the man in the act of subduing 36-year-old Kelsey Keogh. The man, whose name is being withheld, claimed he and Kelsey were in the wrong way, and that he had no...
One of hands. Pitch.
Two facing.
Mill again.
Hitch, Leatherface, and hands. I'm hoping Hitchhiker don't trap up Grandpa, bro, because this build revolves around him being healed, so it'd be unfortunate.
True that. I don't know, I barely see Hitches trap up Grandpa ever, though. I've only seen that a couple times playing with you guys.
That's when they run blood bill.
Yeah. Or they know we got a Maria in the game.
That's smart.
What is that? This should open that door.
Oh, nothing
I'm
really.
gonna try to get a first look at Grandpa though, so I get 2
Backstab.
abilities.
Hurry!
Oh, you're fine.
I'm gonna go off first.
Yeah, you better go.
This might lead to the others.
Middle. I'm getting bodied.
It's a sissy, not a hitch.
Oh, hands.
What that is? Breathe. Just breathe.
The target's on me.
Okay, I'm safe.
Why his hands acting like this?
Follow one upstairs. Pop it down for a little bit. Back up again.
Why his hands
It's not letting
acting
me
like
run.
this? Hands being a fucking bully already.
Wait, I should take that.
About to.
I don't know where. Let me know where's Grandpa at when if you guys see him.
I gotcha.
These people, they're insane.
Someone must have got battery open.
I'm pretty sure that was Kanye.
Grandpa's at level 1, so that ain't bad.
I need to find some heals.
Heading to Grandpa right now.
Uh,
Yep, he got a trap over on Grandpa.
Oh, he
Safe
might
for
be
the night.
running.
There we go. Got our health up as well.
that's nice.
About to open fuse right now.
Gotcha.
Fuse box is open. It's at that overgrown shed.
I gotcha.
I think Leatherface knows.
Sounds like it.
Yeah, and they got our hands.
Hitchhiker knows.
I think Leatherface just saw me.
I'm better, so. Oh, hands is over on better.
You said hands is on battery?
Yeah. He's just sitting over here. He's not
Hitchhiker
facing.
just put a trap on fuse.
Okay,
I'll just weld.
gotcha.
Try to find a heal real quick before I go back.
Hitchhiker feeding Grandpa right now.
Yeah, yeah.
I hope this is safe.
I'm about to come quick now. I'm stuck in the fucking door, game! Don't do me like that. Fuck. Hands is still over there. I'm better.
We'll try to find a bone scrap.
There's a spot in mill.
I
There's
just got gin
two-
open. I need to find.
There's one outside of mill. There's two down in the basement next to the ladder area.
Yeah, I just found one right by the ladder area.
Yeah.
We good. I'm gonna go try to disable his trap and stab him.
Leatherface is over here on me. Gin.
Bet.
He's inside mill. He's down a straight up fence.
Leatherface is feeding Grandpa. Leyland
Yeah.
just stabbed him.
Yeah.
Oops. Get out of there.
Yeah.
Ooh.
On me.
I
Jenner.
got rid of the trap.
Just stab Grandpa.
I do need kills now. That was risky to do.
That was risky.
Shut up, Sonny. Damn.
Oh shit.
There you go.
Come back. They always do.
Got Valve. Anybody know where Valve's at?
Back.
Back.
Alright, I see it.
I think Hitchhiker is going away. If y'all see Hitchhiker, let me know.
I don't know where he's from.
He just came out of right gen. Did leave.
No, he's here somewhere.
I think Leatherface over there feeding Grandpa right now.
I think so. Too bad.
That's Hitchhiker. I'm doing gen. I'm doing the gate right now.
Fuck. I didn't know he had a trap on it.
Why Leatherface?
I'm turning the gen off now.
Okay.
No way he already DC'd. I just witnessed him stop so quickly and DC'd.
Oh, backstab.
Bruh, they kick off one thing, chat, and they just DC. That's insane.
Someone, please.
Bang Theory? I
Yeah.
thought you
I
said
was
Big
about
Bang
to say, there
3.
ain't no way he ain't heard of that.
I thought you said Big Bang 3.
No. No, I was about to say, I was like, you watch Young Sheldon, but not the Big Bang Theory?
Okay, I've seen the Big Bang Theory.
I think this leads out. I
Like,
remember.
Like,
I was
damn,
tripping,
Young
bro.
Sheldon's really popping like that?
oh, my bad, my bad.
I know this.
Didn't
I
mean
think
to disrespect my
I
guy.
need that. This should open that door.
Big Bang 3.
Big Bang Theory.
Sound like a corno.
Oh,
Big
he is.
Bang.
You would make it into that.
Who won?
I got it.
It's quality content right there.
My next OnlyFans video. Big Bang.
What is it?
Bang 3.
That right there is some skibbity riz.
I'll start using this slang there.
Skibbity D. Skibbity.
Come on.
Watch the 3 new vid, bro. If it's the same as the first one, bro, no.
Are these human?
If it says skibbity doodah, once again, no. Bro, stop being a gooner. What the fuck is a gooner?
No, Jesus Christ. The fuck? Okay, click this down? Oh no, it's just on the fucking stairs, just okay.
So stop being a gooner.
Danny, you came for me. I knew you would.
Unless he meant goober.
I respect the goober, not the goober.
The goofy goober.
Yeah.
Got one.
Okay, Generators has cookbooks on it. This one.
Bro, what is gooning? Please let me know. What is gooning? Gooner in Ohio, what the Sigma? Alright, bro, I'm losing brain cells.
I don't even think he knows what the fuck he's saying at this point.
Exactly, bro, like...
I think he's just typing and hoping something comes out as a word.
It's
Like a goon used to mean like,
goodness for
Oh.
I should take that.
yeah,
Delinquent.
exactly.
Took it down for a little bit.
Now it's gooning. Motherfucker, I feel like the newer generation just trying to like make a word popular. Like, let's get an
How's that
old
for?
word and add an ER or an ING and then that shit finna go crazy.
Shit finna go crazy.
Newer generation kid, you were born 20 years ago. Something like that, yeah.
I think both gates on Jen's side are.
Bro. He said, bro, it's not an old. I'm about like 45, you know? I'm
A
just
solid
fucking with you.
45 at that.
Fuck you, Johnny. You suck dick.
Ooh. Are they in level up, Grandpa?
No, I don't know.
Come on, Gramps. Let me talk to you. Oh my god, he's getting bricked.
I'm supposed to be that stuck through. Where's Camp at?
RJ, are you gonna tell me what a gooner is, at least?
I think he's looking it up to figure out the definition.
Imagine not knowing the definition. That's crazy.
Now he said a goonatron. Oh, look it up, gooner, bro. Or you could just tell me.
I know, like, the fuck, bro? You're the one coming in here saying these words like you know them.
We're gonna try and do something.
Oh!
That's really easy.
Oh, Johnny's coming.
Okay. This setup is so easy to fuck with.
So, bro, these guys are dick riding. Are they just, you know, speaking of
What's up,
truth,
John?
though.
Hi, John.
Speaking of truth, why don't you just tell me?
He's saying
Oh,
we're
wait.
dick riding? What the fuck?
Yeah.
This man's.
Let him think whatever he wants to think.
Okay.
I just want to know what a
Before.
gooner is.
I just think. Oh, finally.
I don't
This
even
is what I
remember.
was looking
I heard
for.
it like a year ago, and that's it. I don't remember the definition. It's fun. I think it's something weird though.
More than likely.
I don't know.
Finally, they're gone.
And I know-
Weird as a fucking edging.
I think it's like kind of like edging, but like
It's also
different.
something about edging when mass.
Maria,
Okay.
over here. Let's move together.
What?
Hi, Johnny.
So apparently edging is goony now.
They're insane.
Oh my god.
Maria, look. I'm here.
Gooning means, bro. Why can't you just tell us? If she says,
Apparently, according to the Urban Dictionary, it is one who is completely miserable or miserably addicted to porn and embraces it and loves it.
Jesus. Okay. I
bro,
thought a little different definition.
That is according to Urban Dictionary.
you gotta be addicted to corn.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
shit. I forgot you. Whoops! My bad, I didn't say that.
But I've fought Johnny like 4 fucking times this fucking session.
Ant is a gooner. Ant is a goonatron.
You okay? This is all my fault.
The Goonatron 3K.
Please, God, help me.
Must be addicted to corn. Just trying to eat
Okay.
good though.
Must be though. Where the fuck she is though?
Oh. Battery. Battery's open.
I'm coming. Damn, I didn't know. What the fuck? I was fighting all the time. And fuck this shit.
Cool cook's coming.
I got too low.
Ooh, just dropped both of them! Just dropped both
Join the Texas Chainsaw community on Twitter. Just post your clips there. They only got, well, no, if you're forgetting hands got tracked too.
Oh, wait, through.
Well, you gotta roll with the bomb squad, big dog.
So glad you're alive.
Today, I wish I had it.
Yeah, I think that's the only meta to challenge whenever people use Clip, Hitchhiker, or Nancy in hands. Everybody run Bomb Squad.
Literally.
This should
I wish I had it, bro, but I don't, bro. They stole it from me.
Are you playing us? Oh, yeah.
Oh, they turned generator off. Oh, yeah, no, they bugging. They bugging. I'm rushing.
What?
This could be an easy game, but I'm rushing.
Ooh. The family turned it off?
Yeah, they turned off generator.
Hold on.
Why?
I don't know. They might got the generator perk to where they trying
Yeah, I
to...
think they got the generator.
Oh, Johnny's
perk.
down here. Oh, my gosh.
Yeah.
Johnny's down here. Johnny's down here.
They got the generator perk for sure.
Have hands on me.
Johnny's going for the kill.
I'm on hands. Oh, Hook is here. Cool. I knocked him down.
Oh my god, dude, Johnny really just.
Well, there goes 2 of my nose cells already.
Damn.
Dude,
Why?
Jigaboo just said you had.
I'm fighting Johnny right now.
Skibbity toilet ring.
Sonny,
What the-
I'm running here. You must, Sonny.
What does that even mean? Oh,
This man trying to kill me, Chad.
G. What does that even mean? I didn't even say. I just said GG's.
Oh my.
Okay.
Sonny about killed your boy. Good thing we got the infinite health build.
Oh, you gotta be.
Damn, you got shot.
Oh my gosh, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
Good thing we got the infinite
Thank
health
you.
build, chat.
Johnny's still in basement, guys. Johnny's still in basement. She's turning into brain rot. What does that mean, though? Like, what is?
Hey, whoever's over by battery, distract them. I'm turning off gen.
Johnny's
Jim.
coming up. Johnny's ready to come up for me. If she really said that, I mean, I ain't tripping, but it's just
Oh,
like,
you weak
because I
ass.
just said GG's. I wasn't even trying to. I think it's because I'm an attractive person that anytime I open up my mouth, people think I'm trying to flirt with them.
I'm not putting up house right now.
What the
Stairs.
fuck? About to get jumped.
I'm not even near you.
I said Superman J is Skibbity in her chat. So you started it. That's what's happening. You started it.
Oh, you ain't getting away. I'm keeping you.
This man says skippity. I don't know what the fuck that means. You've
Oh!
been saying that all day.
This
That
man
is
hand. This
goodness.
man.
Johnny's on
Oh, we
me.
got fuse open. Okay,
Johnny's on
cool.
me. I need help.
I
I
Where
can't
are you?
help you.
Where are you? Man?
Battery.
Oh, Cook just walked the.
I'm not there.
out of me, guys.
I'm literally up at
Yo, they got
house.
some good coverage right now. Like, it's very surprising how they got this.
I know I can make him.
I got rid of the quick load. Hands is up at the house backside this one.
Bro, I need someone to distract, dog. I'm stuck. Dropping.
I got garage open.
Hands is up top.
I got garage open.
This is so
Cook is down here. With me.
disgusting.
Gotta get out of here.
Need to be careful.
What's that?
Adam, you still here?
Hat. Crazy funky.
Yeah, I'm here.
You go talk
Hey,
to
Crack,
Gramps.
whenever you post your YouTube videos, how are you saving it to your computer, or what are you doing?
What do you mean?
Like, for like how do you handle your storage?
He just puts it somewhere.
Yeah, I just delete my shit. Like, once I run out of storage on all my YouTube videos, I just start deleting shit. Because once you delete them, you can download them back to your fucking computer. You want,
Okay, I
if you
opened the
really
slide
want
door.
them. So yeah,
Cook is here.
that's all I'd be doing.
Yeah, I just figured out a finesse for now, at least, to get these YouTube videos. Storage is really getting annoying.
Oh, no,
Gotta
yeah,
rack it up.
no, bro.
Welcome battery dude.
I think I need a map book. I need a map book. That's what I need.
I know.
This should help the pain. Leave me alone.
Okay, good.
I be forgetting I ain't got twinkle toes.
I'm
Okay.
gone for now.
Battery gate is open. The same.
See, 5-star, you being like a 8 out of 10 cool right now. You know, and chill vibes, all that would do.
Okay, okay.
Jiggle it, jiggle it.
Get out. Get out. Get out.
Going up top.
No, there's no more.
But nah, Crack. When you said something about the thing in your Discord, when you send this to this channel and not this channel, because I be having that same issue with 5-star and this dude Egg. They be talking. They talk in the chat that don't need to be talking. It be driving me crazy.
Right. Like, read the categories, dog. Just read them.
Got it.
Not home.
Oh, I'm in front. I'm in front.
Like-
I'm in front house.
If you want me to react to a YouTube video, bro, there's YouTube reacts. If you want, if it's like a TikTok or a meme, funny clips, bro. Or meme
Me
spam.
and,
if
me
it's
and
meme.
Maria. Me and Maria is okay.
Oh, Johnny's coming.
Got this.
Okay,
Battery just needs the battery turned off. Right?
Matter of fact,
Time comes
no,
eventually.
I don't think so, buddy.
now what if he won that close encounter?
Why
What if
won't they
he
leave me
had
alone?
suffocating grip?
But I'm Maria.
Can't get away from these monsters.
And you really just try to get me killed.
What was that so stupid?
I really peeped that. You really just tried that. I really saw that.